All right, this is the Blemoacha 4-hole kitchen faucet with sprayer. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's open it up, see what we get in here. What unpack? Oh, very nice presentation so far. Look at that. Got the instructions on the top here. 1, 2, 3, 4 simple steps. Very nice presentation. Nice packed in foam and really nice. Look at that. Everything that you need all individually packaged in this great styrofoam container. Let's take this stuff out and see what we get. So let's pull the faucet out here. Wow, that is really packed in there well. According to the literature, this faucet is made of solid brass construction with a PEX inner lining, PEX inner lining here to make sure you get nice clean water. And they got little wire mesh screens inside of here too. Pretty nice. This is what's known as a bridge faucet. You have your hot water and your cold water, and it's connected by a bridge in the middle here. It's a nice looking faucet. Look at that. You got your on off for your hot cold. It just moves at a 90-degree angle, and there's some set screws on the back here in the event that these things get loose. Little Allen wrench screws, so that's kind of cool. Nice little screen on the inside of the tap right there. That is nice. So it comes with the connectors already connected right on here. So when you're ready to install it, they're already in place for you. Looking for those. And we have washers here too. The washers are also on here, so that's good. And like I said, they provide us with instructions to install this, but like with any other home improvement project, if you don't feel comfortable, you should probably hire a professional to do it, like a plumber. This faucet is a standard 8-inch on center design, so it should fit any sink that is designed to fit an 8-inch on center faucet, which is most standard sinks. We have another connector here, which is going to be for the independent sprayer. For the 4th hole, you go down in, this is what your sprayer is going to end up sitting in. So that's cool. This is a very nice looking sprayer. Got a nice little screen on there. And push button. Push button on the back. I like that. Nice, man, nice brass design. This really has it has a little weight to it, which is nice. This seems great for cleaning the sink out. It's great for cleaning off fruits and vegetables or spraying your wife or husband. The hose, the actual hose for the sprayer itself. Very nice flex hose. I'm going to say that's about 5 foot long there. Has a nice screen filter inside of there. And also, with this, you get the weight. Once you get everything set into place, you open up this weight. This weight clamps over this hose right here. And this is what gives you the counterweight when you're holding your sprayer. There's some extra washers that come along with here. And you get your hot and your cold water flexi hoses, which is going to hook up onto your taps here. Yeah, it just feels and looks like a good, solid, sturdy product. The hardest part about installing these things is getting underneath of there, especially if you're a big guy like me. But at the end of the day, everything you need comes with this package. Your sprayer is going to hook up right here in the center. You've got your hot water and your cold water hookups, which they provided with you onto here. You've got your weight for your sprayer hose. And the only thing you're missing really is Teflon tape. Simple as that. Like I said, if you don't feel comfortable, hire a plumber. This is the Blemoacha 4-hole kitchen faucet with sprayer. Nice packaging. Check it out.